Let's take a look at Autodesk ForceEffect Motion. During this video, you will see how you can easily simulate the motion of mechanisms to verify concepts early on in the design process, and we'll show you why Autodesk ForceEffect Motion is the best tool for these types of applications. Have you used ForceEffect? If you have, then many of the interactions in ForceEffect Motion will be familiar to you. You may remember that with ForceEffect, you can easily create free body diagrams with beams, supports, and various loads and simulate the reaction forces. If you haven't seen ForceEffect, I recommend that you go to the iTunes Store and download the app right away. So why use ForceEffect Motion? ForceEffect Motion enables you to simulate the motion of mechanisms to understand how they'll perform in operation. For example, you can optimize mechanisms to move as needed. With ForceEffect Motion, you can create kinematic diagrams that understand how the elements of a mechanism will behave when moved. Understanding the motion performance of your designs is critical to better inform your decisions related to the optimal configuration of your structures or systems. This is often a critical preliminary step in the design process to head off problems of waste, unnecessary cost, or worse, hazardous structural or functional defects. The application easily and rapidly calculates speed, acceleration, and displacement of a particular point of interest and shows the trajectory of the mechanism. You can simulate the kinematic behavior of joints and the motion of motors or pistons. ForceEffect Motion saves you time as you experiment with design variations or adapt to changing design requirements. All the geometry you create is easily edited and automatically saved when you exit to the gallery. Calculations and graphical results are immediately available in your diagram. There's a gallery that contains several useful kinematic mechanisms. You can import and export diagrams from there, and this is the primary place for storage. You can easily share your diagrams through email or save them to Autodesk 360 Docs. ForceEffect Motion creates an HTML report for selected trace points including videos, images, and tables with rotation, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. The report data can be shared through email and imported into other applications to continue your engineering work. So use ForceEffect Motion to be efficient early in the design process and optimize your performance of your linkages and mechanisms to save time and money. Not to mention, it's fun to use. Thanks for watching and have a great day.